Hello everyone. So welcome to Chemogenesis classes. So last class we have discussed about stability of carbocations, stability of carbanions and stability of free radicals. Right. So today class we are going to discuss about stability of alcohol. That means acidity of alcohols. Right. So generally this acidity of alcohol depend upon the conjugate base. Right. Conjugated base. Now for example, I am taking one ROH group. RO alcohol group. Now this one dissociation takes place. I will get RO minus plus H plus, right? RO minus and H plus. Now this RO minus what we call conjugated base. Conjugated base. Now here dissociation constant you are writing Ka, right? Ka. Here Ka means what? So acid dissociation constant, right? Acid dissociation constant. So here generally conjugate base once increases, corresponding acidity of alcohol, so acidity of alcohol also increases. So in alcohol, this conjugate base what we call alkoxide ion. Now conjugate base equal to alkoxide ion, right? Alkoxide ions. So this one alkoxide ion. So once alkoxide ion increases, that acidity of alcohol also increases. That means here this dissociation constant directly proportional to acidity of alcohol, right? So once that dissociation constant, that means conjugated base or alkoxide ion increases, corresponding that acidity of alcohol also increases. So this Ka group increases, that means RO minus, that means conjugated base increases, alkoxide ions, that is conjugated base means what? Alkoxide ion. So alkoxide ion increases, acidity of alcohol also increases, right? Acidity of alcohol also increases. So for example, now I am taking one example. You see now. So I am taking one water molecule, right? Water molecule. So, right. Now I am taking one more example. Now methanol, CH3OH. So in dissociation takes place. Now Ka. Now here also Ka. So you write here O minus, HO minus, here CH3O minus, right? Now here H plus plus, here also H plus. So between these two, which one is more stable? Which one is more stable? So here both are conjugate base, right? Both are conjugate base or alkoxide ions. Alkoxide ions. Now here hydrogen percent. Now here what? Methyl group percent. That is difference between these two conjugate base. So generally this methyl group, which group? Methyl group generally plus I group, right? Methyl group generally plus I group. So once plus I group increases, what about that corresponding stability of acidity? So acidity also decreases. Acidity decreases, right? So once, why? Because this capacity to donate the electrons to the that carbon ion, that alkoxide, that O minus. That's why it's become destabilized. Destabilized. Now this one stabilized, right? Why? Because here hydrogen percent, this hydrogen there is no electrons, that's why this one more stable compared to this alkoxide ion, right? So once which is more stable, that is more acidic. So here this is stabilizing compound, so compared to this methyl alcohol, so water is more acidic. CH3OH is compared to that water, so compared to that methyl alcohol, water is more acidic. Why? Because this destabilizing, this one stabilized, right? So once that Ka group, that conjugated base, stability of conjugate base increases, corresponding acidity of alcohol also increases, right? So always you remember this conjugated base or this one related to this Ka means related to conjugate base or what? Alkoxide ions. Alkoxide ions. So keep it in your mind. So once alkoxide ion, that means dissociation constant increases, corresponding acidity of alcohol also increases, right? So we will see some examples taking tertiary butyl, tertiary butyl alcohol, right? Tertiary butyl alcohol, CH3, OH. Here I am taking CH3, C4H, here nitrogen, now CH3, right? So you take CH3, now hydrogen, OH. Finally, you will get now CH3OH, right? So between these two, here all are what? Plus I groups. These all are plus I groups. So once plus I group increases, what about stability? So stability of the corresponding ions decreases. So acidity of alcohol also decreases. So here plus I group, 3 plus I group are present, right? 3 plus I group are present. Here only 2 plus I groups. Only 2 plus I groups. Here only 1 plus I groups. Here generally here methanol present, right? Here ethanol, this one. So which one more stable? This one more stable, more acidic. Acidity of alcohol, this one more acidic compared to these three, right? So now this is a increasing order of that acidity of alcohols, right? Electron donating group increases, acidity decreases, acidity of alcohol decreases. Electron withdrawing group increases, acidity of alcohol increases, right? So this also very important points. So already we have discussed in last class also. So you keep it your mind, right? See this example also. Here fluorine, here chlorine, here bromine and iodine present, right? All are alcohols, right? All are alcohols. Here fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine present. So once electronegativity of atom increases, so corresponding acidity also increases, right? Acidity alcohol also increases. So which one more electronegativity? So electronegativity point of view, fluorine is more compared to chlorine is more compared to bromine, so bromine is more compared to iodine, right? Iodine. So this is more acidic compared to this one. Now this is more acidic. Now increasing order of acidity of alcohol. This is order of acidity of alcohols, right? You see this example. Now this one 1, now 2, 3. 3 alcohols are given. So this carbon, alcohol containing carbon as sp3 carbon. Now here also sp3 carbon, right? Now this one also sp3 carbon. Alcohol containing carbons are sp3 carbon. So next carbon as here sp3 carbon. This also sp3, but this one sp carbon. Now this one sp2 carbon, right? sp2 carbon. So once here s character, here depends upon the s character. Now once s character increases, corresponding acidity also increases, right? So generally here 50% S character are present here, 50% S character, here 33.33% of S character present, here only 25% of S character present, right? So once S character increases, S percent character increases, corresponding acidity of alcohol also increases, right? Acidity of alcohol also increases. So which one is more stable? Now second one is more stable. Next one, this one is, first one is more stable. So last one is least one, third one. Now this is a increasing order of acidity of alcohol. You see this example. So here alcohols are present, right? Alcohols. Now all groups, all compounds containing alcohols. Now here, so this one NO2%, here CN%, now here fluorine%, right? Cyanide and fluorine. So this all are minus I groups, right? Minus I groups. So once minus I group increases, what about acidity? So acidity of alcohol also increases. That means electron withdrawing group, right? Electron withdrawing group increases. Acidity of alcohol also increases, right? Acidity of alcohol also increases. Now this is an increasing order of minus I groups. So here minus I group, more minus I group. Now this is an increasing order of that stability of that alkoxide ion. So once stability of alkoxide ion, that means conjugate base increases, corresponding acidity of alcohol also increases. So these are the increasing order of acidity of alcohols, right? So these are the important examples from this acidity of alcohols, right? So next class we will discuss carboxylic acid, right? What about carboxylic acid? So some examples also there. We will discuss next class, right? So thank you for watching.